A very good morning, students. The health topic this Wednesday is on vitamin B1, the pill for your immunity. Well, what is vitamin B1? It was the first vitamin to be discovered and thus the name B1 from the 8 vitamin Bs, also known as thiamine. It helps in converting carbohydrates into sugars, which gives you energy for your immune system and also your nervous system. Students, remember 4 points. It helps your heart because of carbohydrate metabolism. It helps your brain to function better. It helps in increasing mental health. Studies have shown it gives you a good attitude as well as enhances your memory, your eye to prevent cataracts, and kidneys from diabetes setting in. Caffeine has also seen to have interaction with vitamin B1 absorption. So kindly refrain from that extra cup of coffee. Legumes are good in vitamin B1. Green peas also have a rich source of vitamin B1. Therefore, eat dark green leafy vegetables and also dals in your diet. Don't forget, oats also have a good source of thiamine, and yeast contains vitamin B1. Citrus fruits also have vitamin B1 in them. And avocados are rich in thiamine. Try on bananas to give you a good source of vitamin B1, as well as nuts. Various nuts also have vitamin B1. And your brown rice, don't leave that. Thank you, and check out the net for various recipes.